guys, so today's video is going to be a get ready with me slash how I install my wig video. It was provided to me by Virgin Hair Fixx, and they sent me a 14-inch frontal with 3 16-inch bundles of their Malaysian curly hair. This hair just looks so good. Everybody always thinks it's like my hair, like it just reacts so natural. I like when it has like a lived-in look, but for the video I decided to just, you know, wet it a little bit more and added some conditioner and stuff just to give it a little bit more presentable appearance. But like I said, I like it more when it has like that kind of like a slight frizz to the curls and just like kind of messy. I just like a more messy look when I have curly hair. I don't like it to always be like just so perfect, like perfect little spirals and perfect curls. You can see like how some of it is a little frizzy, and I love that. I love that look. But yeah, so basically like I said, this is a get ready with me video on this hair, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. It's really pretty, and y'all already seen this hair on me in this picture right here, and I'll insert pictures and clips and stuff as well. But yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and get started, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my face. I might talk through it this video. I haven't decided if I want to talk through or if I want to just let, you know, music play every time. And I sometimes don't show this in videos, but this is what I do. I put the oil on first, and then I put the Hydra Boost serum on afterwards. So and I just really love the way this stuff makes my skin feel. Like, it used to be so dry and just, yeah. Go ahead and apply my Hydra Boost serum. I have that in my hand. And that is, like I said, more than enough for your face. And this goes a long way. And I like to run it down my neck too. And my chest if my chest is exposed. Just to give all that area some moisture. from Virgin Hair Fixx. It does look a little lived in because I've been wearing it a lot so far. But I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I apply my wigs. I don't really use the Gotta Be gel anymore. I use the Gotta Be spray because I find that it's easier to just put on and take off at the end of the day if you want to take it off. You can sleep in it for a couple of days before I find, especially in the humidity of North Carolina, even in winter. It feels like spring right now because it's like 70. It feels like 70 or something outside. But I find that with the humidity here that sometimes you may need to apply a little bit more of the spray, or if you need something a little bit more tacky, you may want to go to the glues and all that stuff. But I just don't like the glues on my lace fronts. I feel like it does more damage to the hair than good. So I just stick to the sprays no matter what, or either use an elastic band, which it also has an elastic band on it. Let me go ahead and show you the back of it so you can see the curls and stuff. It has like a really natural curl pattern. I really like it. Everybody thinks it's my hair when I wear it because of the length and the density of this hair. Like I said before, it is 3 16-inch bundles and a 14-inch frontal. Unless you see see that hairline, you can, like, you see the hairline is really plucked really well, and then you see how the scalpage looks. So guys, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair. What I like to use is the Gotta Be spray, glue spray. I find it just is easier, it dries quicker, and it gives me enough hold for at least a good 2 to 3 days if I want to wear my wigs that long. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this. And now I'm going to go back. We'll pull the cap a little closer because it slid a little further back as I was putting this on. And now I'm going to pull the unit to where I want it to be on my head. And because this lace is really delicate, it does roll back a little bit, so you know you have to make sure that you have it really flat looking, flat in the front whenever you apply it. Basically their off-brand version of It's a 10 leave-in conditioner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this. And I've already added a little water to my hair as well. And then I'm just gonna run my fingers through it. And this hair really doesn't need a lot to just keep it put together. Like a little bit of water, a little bit of conditioner, and you're basically good to go all the time. Yeah, so this is probably going to be like some of my favorite curly hair just because of the length and just because I feel like it just like it's the perfect. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed my get ready with me / putting on my wig video. Thanks again to Virgin Hair Fixx for sending me this hair. This hair is amazing, and I hope that y'all like it because I think this is probably going to be like some of my favorite curly hair because it's just so perfect. It's easy to maintain. All I need is water and a little bit of conditioner, and I use like the It's a 10 leave-in conditioner, and it just made this hair so soft. The curls snap back. Like, the curls are just, I just love these curls. These curls are perfect. And I will have a more in-depth review on this hair coming up in a couple of weeks. But yeah, so I just want to give y'all like first look at what I'm working with because y'all will see this hair a lot. Probably see it in my baby shower video coming up in a couple of weeks as well because I just think this is real cute. I just love it. I just love it all together. That is all for now, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.